YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back at you guys with another video, and today is going to be an affordable natural makeup tutorial. You guys want to stick around and see what I use and how I do my everyday face, and then keep on watching. But before we get on with this video, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Before we get started, I have a new ring light. Let me know if it's too bright. It's blinding, guys. It's so blinding, but it's like a mini ring light, which I got from Amazon. It's really super cool and it was super cheap. I got it for like $43. So I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested in getting like a affordable ring light, affordable small ring light that you could put in your desk and it could brighten up the room. Very portable, very small. So you could really put it in a bag or in a duffel bag or whatever the case may be. But it's really good. So yeah, I'm kind of feeling it. Let me know, how do you like the lighting for this from this ring light? I like how it's in my makeup vanity, so I could easily get whatever I need in order to do a makeup look. So the ring light will be down in the description box below. It's super cool. Okay, so I already started out doing my brows. Again, I just did a brow tutorial, so make sure you guys check it out. The video will be linked down in the description box below, so if you guys are interested about how I got my brows to look the way it does, then you guys can watch the video. You can watch that first and then come back to this video if you feel like it. I don't know, that's a suggestion, but you do what you feel, my people. So my hair is pushed back, so what I like to do is I like to prime my eyes. I always like to start out with the eyes first. I always use concealers to prime my lid. So the concealer that I'm going to be using is from ColourPop. It's their no filter concealer, and this is $6, guys. I absolutely love ColourPop's concealer. It is full coverage in my opinion, and it's just, I don't know, I love it. Like, I think I have to do a ColourPop purchase. So I just like to prime my lids with that. Oh, and I'm in the color Golden 40. I'm taking my Morphe M173, it's their big buffing brush, and I like to use this to like kind of just blend out the eyes. You can use your beauty blender, but I like to just use a brush. So that's that. Now I am going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Now Child. I want to take a sponge and kind of just set the whole lid. And this is in the color medium. And I love this powder, and I love setting my lids with this powder. Just gives it a nice smooth canvas, and it doesn't crease at all. Look at that. Look how smooth my eyelids are. And this is like only $8. Like, this is just great. We're not gonna do too much with the eyes. I like just using a transitional color just to give it like definition in the eye. But I take my Morphe M533. It's a big fluffy brush, and I like using this if I'm doing something really quick. This is a great brush to just apply any transitional color. So I'm going to be taking my Morphe's 35V palette. This is how it looks like. It's absolutely stunning, and it's called Stunning Vibe. So I think this is an appropriate name for this palette. I'm going to go in with Spice. So this is Spice right here, and I love this color. I think this is like my favorite color in the whole palette. If you don't have something like that, you can use your bronzer as well and sweep it in the crease of your eyes. But I like using this color, so let's go. So you just sweep it in your eyes. So this is how it's looking like so far. And I love this brush because it buffs everything out. This is just a great blending brush. And if you have any harshness in the eyes, this will definitely help buff your shadow out. So this is what I do. Kind of just do circular motions, work it into the crease, and then it will kind of just buff upwards. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna do the same with the other eye, just focusing it into the crease and kind of just buffing it upwards. So that's pretty much it with the eyes. Now we're gonna do mascara, and I am gonna be taking my Covergirl Flourish lash blush in the color black. And I'm just gonna do one coat in my lashes right here. So I'm gonna put some false lashes on, and yeah, I'll be right back. So I put my lashes on. These are from Morphe lashes, called Eye Traction, and I got it for $12. So it's $12. It's very pretty. It's probably one of my favorite Morphe lashes. So now let's move on. We're gonna prime the face. I'm going to use my Milani facial oil in Rose, and you could tell that I really like it because I'm almost out of it. So I'm just gonna get some oil going on in the face. So this is a Morphe primer in the revitalizer. It's very moisturizing. I've been very dry these past winter months, so anything that's like moisturizing, I'm gonna use. Feels good in the skin. I'm gonna be using my Loreal infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation. Now I did do a review on it and I absolutely love it. I've been using this foundation for the past almost 2 months now, and I really like this foundation. Every time I go out, everybody's like, wow, your face is really flawless. This is the foundation that I'm wearing. It is a little bit too dark for me, 510. I could have went lighter and did a 505 because it does oxidize, but I like wearing dark foundation because I could kind of get away with wearing a really light concealer underneath my eye. So I'm just going to kind of just blend out my foundation, I guess. I think I put a lot of foundation on. I apologize for that as well, but what can you do? So this is how the foundation is looking like. Absolutely stunning. Now we're going on with concealer, and the concealer I've been using, girl, is the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the color caramel. This is awesome. It doesn't crease underneath my eyes. This is just the perfect color. It's not too light, not too dark. I just love it. I need to go back to the next store and get like a whole bunch. And what I like to do is that I like to mix it in with my ColourPop because it is lighter. So this is how it's looking like so far. Back in with my ColourPop Golden. It's a little light, and I kind of just put that on top. Now I'm gonna be taking a sponge. I'm sorry, I don't like blending out my concealer with a brush. That's just not what I like to do. So I'm just gonna soak this a little bit. I wish that this was a little bit more damp, but I'm too lazy to get up and wet it. So I'm just gonna work with this sponge. This is from Morphe. Oh my god, I use a lot of Morphe things. I'm sorry. But this is a sponge from Morphe. And I'm just going to blend everything out. See how super light this can, I just love this combo for concealers. I'm gonna go back in with my brush and kind of just go around the edges of the concealer, so it doesn't look too crazy. Oh. Now I'm gonna take my banana powder from ColourPop and I'm just going to set it a little bit. I'm just gonna take my brush from Real Technique right here, and I'm not going to set anything. I'm just gonna dust the product right underneath my eye, just to go under it, just to set so I don't get any creasing underneath. You might think that is too light, which it is, but I'm just gonna go over it with a facial powder. I'm gonna set all over the face. I'm gonna use a Morphe powder. This is the hashtag filter powder in the number 10. So this is how it looks like right here. I'm gonna take my kabuki brush that I got from MAC, and I'm just gonna kind of just set all over the face with this really quickly. Kind of just go over underneath my eye a little bit because I don't want it to be too, you know, too white underneath. There's another Morphe product. I'm gonna be using their bronzer or Bontour in the color Vlogger. So this is how it looks like. So I just take both right here, and I'm taking an angle brush and kind of just go in the hollows of my cheekbone. See how pretty that is? So pretty. I didn't think this color would work out for me that well, but it ended up really being pretty for me. Look at that. Very natural, it's not too dark. It's very, very pretty. I like to put some in my forehead, even though I feel like I don't need it, but it's just to add color. I'm gonna take my Milani blush trio, and it is called Floral Fantasy. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. brush, my e.l.f. blush brush. So I'm gonna go in with the darkest color right here. I'm gonna put this in the apples of my cheek. So pretty. Now this is my favorite highlighter of all time. This is the Master Chrome highlighter in the color Molded Gold. And girl, you'll be beaming if you wear this. I'm gonna take my Morphe brush, the M501 brush, and I'm just going to highlight. And you could build this up if you want. Look at that. This is like, this is like everything to me. You have no idea. What I like to do is I like to put that underneath the brow bone, like here. So pretty, right? I'm going to go in with my Morphe M506. So it looks like this. I'm going to use that brush to sweep in the spice color from the 35B palette underneath my eye. Just a little bit. I'm back in with my molded gold highlighter. I'm just gonna take a rando brush that I got a long time ago and kind of put that in the inner corners of my eyes or outer corners of my eyes, just to give that like a nice little highlight. I like that because, you know, my eyes are so plain Jane. Let's do Mauve from NYX. I haven't wear that lip liner in a super duper long time. Let me just soften this a little bit. Now we're gonna go in Milani lipstick, and it's in the color Naked. You know what? Maybe I should go a little darker on the lip. Hold on, let's go a little darker. We're gonna do Club Hopper from NYX. I feel like let's go over it a little bit. love NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the color Tiramisu. Cause I love me a glossy lip. I think Tiramisu is one of my favorite lip glosses, like, of all time. All right, so yeah, let me spray. All right, guys, so this is it. We are finished here. I hope that you guys learned a lot from this video. I enjoyed doing it. I wish I wasn't taking this makeup off in the next 10 minutes, but this is really pretty. I'm gonna get some cute selfies going on because this makeup is not going to waste. Okay. This is my everyday makeup look that I would do. Really pretty. The only thing that really kind of just changes is the lashes and my lip color, honestly. I hope this was easy, and I hope that this was informative for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you tried any of the products that I used in today's video. Yeah, and let me know what you guys think of this look. If you guys end up trying this everyday affordable natural makeup look, let me know and tag me on Instagram and let me know if you use some of the products. That'll be great. I want to know, you know, I just want to interact with you guys. All my social medias will be down in the description box down below, just in case you want to check me out. And I'll see you in a few days with another one. Bye, guys.